This is Cuba's Gardens of the Queen, a marine protected sanctuary since 1996. It is one of the most pristine dive destinations in the world. Let All Star Liveaboards help you experience the holy grail of Caribbean diving, Cuba. On every dive, you'll find the warm waters teeming with schools of fish, including 6 species of sharks. The island's mangrove forests are nurseries for the fish that surround you on every dive, including grunts, jacks, black and goliath grouper, barracuda, and tarpon. You'll even have a chance to snorkel with saltwater crocodiles. All Star's Jardines Avalon Luxury Liveaboards are floating hotels. Powerboats whisk divers to spots just minutes away, including Alfarayan, Black Coral, and Los Magotas. Only a few lucky divers can visit each year through the Blue Sanctuary Educational Program. All Star Liveaboards can help make this dream destination a reality.